Hi students, how are you all? I am very happy to meet you through this video session. I am S. Naveen Kumar from Bharadasana Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam, Department of Computer Science and Applications. Now we are going to see 11th standard Computer Science and Applications, Chapter 2, Number Systems. In this chapter, previously we are discussed decimal to binary conversion and binary to decimal conversion. Now we are going to see decimal to octal conversion and decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Are you clear? Yes. Here, what is the base value of decimal number system? Yes, the base value of decimal number system is 10, and then range of the decimal number system is 0 to 9, and the base value of octal number system is 8. The range is 0 to 7. In the same way, the base value of hexadecimal number system, that is 16. The range is 0 to 9 and 8 to F. Already you know that A represents the character value 10, B represents the value 11, C represents the value 12, as well as up to F. F represents the value 15. Now, how we can convert that decimal number to octal? It's very simple. You have a formula, decimal to octal conversion. What is the base value of octal? Very good, 8. That decimal number should be divided by 8, we get an octal number. In the same way, we want to convert decimal to hexadecimal. What is the base value of hexadecimal number system? Very good, 16. That decimal number can be divided by 16, we get an hexadecimal number. Very clear? Now we are going to see the example problem. One example problem, that number decimal to octal conversion. How we can identify the given question is in decimal number? Yes students, very good. That means with the help of base value. What is the base value here? 10. So the base value is 10 means this 359 is belonging to what type of number? So belonging to decimal number. Now we want to convert octal. What is the formula? Yes, very good. We want to convert decimal to octal means that decimal number is divided by 8. Why we want to divide it by 8? With the help of base value of octal number system. Now the 359 is the decimal number converted into octal, that should be divided by 8. What will happen? 8 fours are 32, and then remainder 3, that will be added, and then 39. Again 8 fours are 32. What will be the remainder? 7. Again you should divide it. 5 eights are 40, and what will be the remainder? 4. Next 3, 5, 9 base 10 equal to 5, 4, 7. You put the base value, that is very important. Base value is what? 8. This is an answer. Here you can identify the difference. In this, the range of decimal number is what? Range of decimal number is what, my dear? 0 to 9. Here in this number 3, 5, 9, it will be 0 to 9. And then the range of octal number is 0 to 7. We get an answer 5, 4, 7. We can probably this is a correct answer. Yes. Next, we have an answer already, 547 base 8. It is an octal number. Now we can go into the reverse order. With the help of this answer, we get a question. That means we want to convert octal to decimal number system. We are going to see octal to decimal conversion. How we can convert octal to decimal? Very simple. It's a multiplication process. Octal to decimal means multiply to the power of base 8 to the power of 0. It will be extended up to the number of digits. In this given problem, how many digits are there? 3 digits. Very good. So, it will be extended up to 8 to the power of 0, 8 to the power of 1 and 8 to the power of 2. That means 547 base 8 is equal to 5 into 8 to the power of 2 plus 4 into 8 to the power of 1 plus 7 into 8 to the power of 0. Are you clear? Yes. What the 8 to the power of 2 means? That means 64. Very good. 5 into 64 plus 8 to the power of 1, 8. 8 into 4, 32 plus anything power 0. What happened? 8 to the power of 0 means 1. 1 into 7, 7. Here 64 into 5, what happened? 0, 2, 32, 320 plus 32 plus 7. 320 plus 30, 350, 352 plus 7, 359 base 10. We get the question. That means the given number is belonging to what type? Decimal. Are you clear? Finally, you write the answer. What is 547 base 8 equal to 359 base 10. Are you clear? This is the verification and then reverse process. That means octal to decimal conversion. Next, decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Already you know the base value of decimal number system is 10. Very good. And hexadecimal number system is what? 16. Now we have the formula. What is the formula? Very simple. Decimal to hexadecimal. What do? You want to divide that decimal number by the base value of hexadecimal. What is the base value here? 16. What is the given question? 359. This 359 should be divided by 16. Yes, how many 16s are there? 2 16s are 32. What is the remainder? 3. 3 should be combined with 9, 39. How many 16s are there? 2 16s are 32. The remainder is 7. Again 16. 22 is divided by 16. How many 16s are there? 1 16. And then remainder 6. So we can write an answer as 359 base 10 equal to 167 base 16. Why we can put base 16 here? Because the reason is we want to convert what? Decimal number system to hexadecimal. So you must put the 16 here. Are you clear, students? This is the conversion of what? Decimal to hexadecimal. Yes. Next, we are going to see that's a verification. That verification is what? Reverse process. What is the given here? 167 base 16. So what type of number? This 167 base 16 is a type of hexadecimal. How we can identify this is a hexadecimal? With the help of the base value. Now we want to convert the hexadecimal number system to what? Decimal. Hexadecimal number system to decimal. And we have a formula that hexadecimal number system to decimal means it should be multiplied to the power of 0, 16 to the power of 0 and multiplied 16 to the power of 1. How many times it will be occur based upon the number of digits. In this problem, how many digits are there? Only 3 digits. So, into 16 to the power of 2, 3 digits. So, we can use 3 terms. In this problem, we have only 3 digits. So, we can use 3 terms. So, for example, 167 base 16 equal to 1 into 16 to the power of 2 plus 6 into 16 to the power of 1 plus 7 into 16 to the power of 0. How we can specify 1 into 16 to the power of 2? This is the 0th position and this is the first position and this is the second position. So 16 to the power of 2 means what happened? 256. 1 into 256, what will be the result? 256 plus 16 into 6. 16 to the power of 1 is 16. 16 into 6, what is the answer? 6 6 are 36. 6 plus 3, 9. So 96 plus 16 power 0. Anything power 0, what happened? Very good. Anything power 0, 1. So 7 into 1, 7. Finally, we get an answer. What is that? 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 7, what? 19. 9. Balance 1. That 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 5. Balance 1, 3. 59. Here we want to convert what? Hexadecimal to decimal. So you put base value as 10. Very good. 359 base 10. Finally, you write that question with the answer. What is that question? 167 base 16 equal to 359 base 10. Are you clear? This is the conversion of what? Hexadecimal to decimal. Here we have attached the study materials. That means study material book back answers and creative questions and interior 1 marks and self-assessment question papers are attached to the below description. You can go through and work out the conversions problem. Yes, this is for your practice purpose. Thank you, students.